Automate job assignment via account tags. You can set up your pipelines to automatically assign jobs to the appropriate team members. This feature is particularly useful when specific team members are responsible for certain clients. For instance, if you manage high-profile clients while junior accountants handle others, TaxDome uses client tags to assign tasks automatically, ensuring each job reaches the appropriate team member. The first step will be creating the account tags. From the Tags page, click Create New Tag, select the color, and enter the name. In this case, we are creating a tag for every team member. Now, from the Accounts page, we are going to assign the tags that we created to the existing clients. We are going to filter the list by team members. If you want to assign tags for Lucy, you'll need to set up a filter like Team as Lucy. Select all the accounts and click Manage Tags. Find the relevant tag in the list, select Assign to All in the Actions column next to it, and click Assign Tags. This will update all the client tags you need in bulk. Now that the tags are assigned to the accounts, let's open our pipeline. From the pipeline settings, select the stage where you want to assign the job to a dedicated team member, click Add Automations, and select Update Job Assignees. In the Add Assignee field, add a team member. Now click Add Conditions and select a tag associated with the team member. From now on, once a job enters the stage, the job assignee is automatically updated based on the client tag. Remember to review your automations and tags when team members leave your firm. Reassign tags to ensure your clients continue to receive support without interruption.